Alright, so this is the video on Devil's Jizz. This is the base, this is the hardener, and you mix them 1-to-1. So in the kits that I sell, it's $35 for 30 cc's of base and 30 cc's of hardener. And then you get usually about 4 or 5 cups, at least 4 or 5 mixing sticks, which can also be used as, the extras can be used for cleaning gaps and things like that. And then you get at least 4 of these syringes that you can call an applicator. And then what I do is pop the tip off, pull the plunger out, put the tip back on, and then see, I use this old Gonzo mid as my holder. So, see? And now you have something to hold it. If you don't, get your daughter or somebody like that just to hold it. Not the wife, because she probably hates you anyway. So, and then what you do is yours will be already in the syringe, and what you do is you mix equal parts into the cup, and then you stir it for 30 to 60 seconds, and basically until it's what's called homogeneous, which is you guys may know it as homo, meaning same. So it looks all the same, which should be like a glossy grayish black. It'll cure as a glossy black. It's really pretty. And so then what you do is then you pour it in the backside. You don't have to sit there and scrape every wall, but you want to, this is really fucking valuable. And then what you do is you put the tip in, not too much because you don't want too much pressure to come out the top. And then you pull it up like this, give it a second so that the bubble rises to the top, and then you want to pop that off. Now, if you're doing multiple loads, you want to put that back in there and then clean it out with some Q-tips. But what you can do is after you, use it, then you can pop this off. You want to wipe this with acetone. And shit, somebody's calling. God damn it. I'll finish this up real quick. And then you want to clean out the inside with acetone. You can use paper towels to wash in there, or Q-tips, long Q-tips, tech swabs as they call them. I also had a really cool find. I've been using tech swabs to clean my ears, which is fine because I got big ears, or big ear holes, I should say. And so I can swab it in there, and it's not a problem. All you doctors, don't put anything in your ear. No, that's gross. I'm cleaning that shit out. And so I found at Big Lots, it's $2 for some bamboo stick ones. And the bamboo stick ones are stronger than the, I guess it was pine. It's pine wood, real cheap wood that I was using. I got somebody here. So, but that's the Devil's Jizz. And look for the drink Devil's Jizz when I launch How to Make a Movie, themovie.com. Love you guys.